Hey, YouTubers out there and RC enthusiasts, welcome to another little video of the RC Whisperer. If you do like my channel, please hit the subscribe button, bell button, like button, share button, comments button, all the buttons. Anyways, here's another little video of my traxxas trx4mt, and as you can see, I've got the Bigfoot stickers on it. If you know my channel, you have seen a few videos of this little RC monster truck. It's 1/18 scale, so as you can see, it's not that big. But anyways, I'm gonna replace the plastic gears in the inside here. I wanted to say differential, but it's not really differential. They're locked, the diffs, but they put plastic gears into here, so decided to replace them with the metal ones. And if you're doing this to your TRXT or your TRX4mt, this is the number for it. And also, it's also in the manual. Let me just quickly get the number for you over here. Here we go. 9779 optional. So you also have it inside your manual. Sorry if I sound a little bit weird, but I've got quite a bit of a cold, so I'll be sniffing and coughing a little bit. But I'm not going to make a whole video of taking it apart, because I don't want to bore you guys too much with things like that. And I know you guys want to see videos like that, but anyways, I'm gonna take off the wheels, disconnect the rear axle, and I have to disconnect the linkages and the drive shaft here. Once that's done, make another little video about that, and just take this apart and then replace the gears. So we'll see in the next video when this one is going to be taken off, and obviously on the front as well. So yeah, this is going to be most probably 3-4 episoded video. I'm not going to make it too long. So, and I have done a bit of research on YouTube about making videos, and the longer they are, the less you guys are going to watch my videos. So just make this video, it's going to be about, I don't know, about maybe 10, 12, 15 minutes, I don't know, just depends. But anyways, let's get into the disassembling of the rear, and then see you guys in episode 2. Here we go, got it all taken apart. Here's a little drive shaft. It was really handy though. You just need the small little Allen key for this, or a Allen wrench, which is pretty cool as well. The two little drive shafts, and then here we go. Here's the plastic gears. So just gotta get the metal ones in there, and when that's done, then I'll on to episode 3. Well, here we go. Got them in there, and they're installed. Little drive shaft. What I'm gonna do is just take some ball bearing grease. Let's put some onto the gears here. I'm sure that's enough. And get it all cleaned up here. Just maybe put a little bit more. There we go. Well, let's go on to the next episode, and then when we get this installed onto the truck, and then move on to the front diffs, or the front axle. Well, episode 4. Got the rear diff installed. Now for the front. Just got to take it apart. Same thing. Well, see you in episode 5. Well, here we go. Got the front axle housing removed, and this one just have to remove the steering hub, so a bit more few screws to get to the disc, because I have to remove the shafts, of course, to remove the main gear. But anyways, yeah, as well as for the servo here. But here's a little top RC tip for you guys out there. If you loosen screws, just put them back where they were if you unscrew them, because if you're not sure where screws go back or something like that. I'm not saying you have to do that, and if you do remember where screws go, then it's fine. But anyways, for me, I like to just screw them where they came from, so when you screw it back together, just loosen the screw a little bit there and then put it back in. So just a little top RC tip for you guys out there. Well, I'm gonna take it apart and then yeah, get the metal gears installed. A little bit of an episode 6 here. So I've got the metal gear installed into the front axle housing, and again, just take some, well, in my case I've got some ball bearing grease, which works just as well. I mean, it's a small little gear and it's not going to be going thousands of miles an hour, so it's like most fast RCs, which you have to use special diff oil and things like that. But this works just as much. There we go. I just got to connect the protective cover, and then once everything is put back together, go to episode 7 and then get the truck all together. So right now, obviously there's a bit more going on here because of the servo and the steering, so I just had to loosen these ones just to get the drive shafts off. Anyways, let's go on to the end slot of this little video. Well, this is the final and 7th episode of this little video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Got the metal gears installed, and actually feels like it's a bit smoother. Maybe that's because of the grease or something like that. And well, anyways, don't throw your old gears away, or plastic, well, old, but don't throw the plastic gears away. You never know when you might need them, or maybe for something else. Or anyways, little tool to loosen the wheels. Anyways, gonna put it all back in the box, so it's ready to go out on another little driving adventure. I don't know if I'm going to tune this truck, put aluminum parts in it and things like that. I don't know if I'm going to do that. It'll all get a little bit heavier, but for now, I mean, it performs great, and I'll dig the way it drives, and I don't need the brushless motor system, because standard it's perfectly yeah, it runs perfectly well, or drives perfectly well. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm the RC Whisperer. If you like my channel, please subscribe and help me grow into a big YouTuber, because I have big plans for the future for my YouTube as well. So anyways, yeah, see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe, have fun out there on the RC trails. See you in the next video. Bye. See ya.